Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into one of the most talked about lifestyle choices in nutrition and health, plant-based diets. Whether you're curious about going vegetarian, vegan, or simply adding more plants to your meals, you've probably heard that plant-based eating comes with many health benefits, but also some challenges. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll explore both sides so you can make informed decisions about your own diet. Section 1. What is a plant-based diet? First, let's define what we mean by a plant-based diet. At its core, a plant-based diet emphasizes foods that come from plants: fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Some people follow vegetarian diets, which exclude meat but may still include dairy or eggs. Others go fully vegan, cutting out all animal products. And many simply adopt a flexitarian approach, eating mostly plants but occasionally consuming meat or fish. The key idea is shifting the balance toward plant foods, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, nutrients essential for overall health. Section 2. Health benefits. Now let's look at the benefits. Research consistently shows that well-planned plant-based diets can lead to significant health improvements. Heart health. Studies have found that plant-based eaters often have lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and a reduced risk of heart disease. That's largely because plant foods are naturally low in saturated fat and high in fiber, which are both protective of the cardiovascular system. Weight management. Plant-based diets are linked to lower body weight and lower rates of obesity. High-fiber foods help you feel full for longer, while being less calorie-dense compared to many animal products. Diabetes prevention and management. Diets rich in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables improve insulin sensitivity and help stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes plant-based eating particularly effective for preventing type 2 diabetes and even managing it in some cases. Cancer risk reduction. While no diet can guarantee prevention, populations that consume more plant foods tend to have lower rates of certain cancers. Phytochemicals, compounds found in plants, play a role in protecting cells from damage. Longevity and quality of life. Large studies, including those on blue zones, regions where people live the longest, show that diets centered on plants contribute to longer lifespans and healthier aging. Section 3. Environmental and ethical benefits. Beyond personal health, there are broader reasons why people choose plant-based diets. Environmental impact. Producing plant foods generally requires less land, water, and energy compared to raising animals. A global shift toward plant-based eating could significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Ethical concerns. Many people are motivated by animal welfare, choosing plant-based diets to avoid contributing to factory farming or animal exploitation. So, plant-based diets not only support human health, but also align with sustainability and ethical living. Section 4. Challenges and nutritional concerns. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Plant-based diets do come with challenges. Let's break them down. Nutrient deficiencies. Vitamin B12. This vitamin is only found naturally in animal products, so vegans must rely on fortified foods or supplements. Iron and zinc. Plant sources exist, but they're less easily absorbed by the body than animal-based sources. Eating vitamin C-rich foods can help improve absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids. Important for brain and heart health, these are abundant in fish, but vegans can get them from flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and algae-based supplements. Calcium and vitamin D. If dairy is excluded, fortified plant milks or supplements may be needed. Social and cultural challenges. Eating out, traveling, or attending social gatherings can be tricky for those on strict plant-based diets. Options may be limited, and explaining dietary choices can sometimes feel uncomfortable. Accessibility and cost. While beans, rice, and vegetables can be inexpensive, Specialty plant-based products, like vegan cheeses or meat substitutes, can be costly or unavailable in some regions. Learning curve. Transitioning requires meal planning, label reading, and sometimes cooking skills. Without proper planning, diets can become repetitive or nutritionally unbalanced. Section 5. Practical tips for success. So, how can you enjoy the benefits while minimizing the challenges? Here are a few tips. Start gradually. You don't have to go vegan overnight. Try meatless Mondays or swap one meal a day for a plant-based option. Plan for key nutrients. Pay attention to protein, iron, calcium, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Fortified foods and supplements can help. Experiment with recipes. Explore global cuisines like Indian, Mediterranean, or Mexican that naturally emphasize plant-based ingredients. Keep it simple. Beans, lentils, grains, and vegetables can form the base of quick, affordable meals. Seek professional guidance. If you're making major changes, a registered dietitian can help ensure your diet is balanced. To wrap up, plant-based diets offer a wide range of health, environmental, and ethical benefits, but they also come with some challenges, mainly around nutrition, accessibility, and social situations. With good planning and a balanced approach, many people find that the benefits far outweigh the difficulties. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's curious about plant-based eating.